Hey, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today we are going to be getting rid of saggy skin around the chin area and around the neck area. We are basically going to help improve the texture of the skin over there. Without wasting time, let's just get started. First of all, you need to work on a very clean skin. So I'll get my favorite cleanser and cleanse my skin with it. I'll make sure I cleanse the neck area as well. Afterwards, I will come in with a very warm towel and dab it on my face. This will help open up the pores for easier penetration. I'll get a little bit of my shea butter and massage it onto my face. If you've got cocoa butter, it works equally great. Afterwards, I'll get my Jade roller. Here I'll be using the larger side. Starting from my chin area, I will just roll it downwards towards my neck area as well. This should be done gently. It is very great for those of you with double chin or saggy skin around the chin area. This basically helps iron out the skin. I must say, massaging around, your neck area can be very ticklish. I tried so hard not to laugh. So basically, this is how I do it before jumping into bed. I prefer to do this just before going to bed for that beauty sleep. For maximum results, you can do this every day or every other day. You are going to see great improvement within 7 days. So I hope I did help you, and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.